Good day, everyone. I'm Mr. Michael Pajarito from the College of Information and Computing Sciences at Marinduque State University. Today, I'll be presenting my final project for Computer Programming 1. The title, Nerve File, a GUI-based file management system. This project aims aims to prevent user from accidentally creating critical files, maintaining file integrity, and structured organization. The system does not collect or store personal data, respecting user privacy while ensuring a safe file management experience. The project description. Nerfile is a Python integer-based GUI file management system designed for efficient digital workflow organization. It enables users, particularly students, researchers, and professionals, to seamlessly create, read, rename, and delete files while ensuring security and accessibility. And a key feature is a authentication system restricting file access to authorized users. Upon login, users interact with encrypted interface that simplifies file separation or eliminating challenge of mutual organization. Safety and privacy. Narrowfile is a secure of use and user-friendly GUI-based file management system developed using Python and Tinker. Prioritizing privacy, it does not collect, store, or user data, ensuring files remain within the user design storage, location, and encryption mechanism protect access, making it still of sensitive digital content. Its accessibility-focused design ensures a clean interface, smooth notification, and clear warnings, allowing users to manage files effortlessly. Prepare introduce up or pop-ups whenever for student, professional, or organization. Thereby streamlines digital workflows to maintain the ability, regular access, and collect auto enhance security, fix bug, and introduce new features based on user feedback schedule. Dates prevent disruption and ensure long-term adaptability.